Well, it's now, it's about 7:15. The pump's been running for about 8 hours, so I'm really hoping that some of the water level has gone down quite considerably. Well, tracking positives, it is good news. The pump is doing its job. The water level has gone down and we are stemming the inundation of water. Into the library to find some information about where this water might be coming from historic maps. I've been told the second floor. So we've got this book of old Austrian maps.
152.
Did he say 1763?
It's not just all blue.
We find Goritza's actually an island surrounded by water.
Ah, here we go.
Ah, so Ratmansdorf is
Medolica.
Goritza.
So there it is. Here we
There's
are.
not many towns, are there, in those days?
Our house would be one of these because it was already there. There's no water there at all. Just the hill water. The oldie hill water.
There's no stream running through the house, we're pretty sure, so things are looking up. What is beneath this bloody house? Look at it. It's been resting on Earth for 500 years. Now we're going to find out exactly what that Earth is like. Oh my God, this is awesome. I see, so it tips. Oh, oh. Holy sh... Wow. Wow. Moment of truth, Andre. What lies beneath there?
No idea, we will see.
So this is the hole next to where the water's pouring in. Half a metre down. You're not going to push me in and... Yeah, that could fit a human.
Good material.
Yeah?
Yeah. Gravel with silt or gravel with place.
So it's nice. A good place to build a house on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, doing some nice news here. These guys are great. I mean, it's cold, it's wet, it's getting dark. And they're out here working and, you know, for us, for my family. So I'm very grateful. Where's the water? Where's the water?
No idea. It's in the cellar, not here.
So we were wondering where the water was and it's just appeared. At about what level?
Minus, let's check. Minus 160.
There's nothing here. There's no underground sort of store of water or something. It's just the soil.
Yeah.
Good news. It appears that the house isn't resting on an underground lake. There is a layer of naughty gravelly clay which is clearly carrying water. But we can target that. We can work on that with this information.